start.
Okay, one, two, three, start. Okay. Hello, my name is ATHIRAH FARHANI, and I'm the human resource manager at this company, which is Petronas. For today, I would like to interview you for this position for my company, which is software engineer. So, firstly, would you tell me about yourself?
Sure. So, my name is ARIESYA binti Osman and I was born in Selangor. My hobbies are baking. I am graduate from University Malaysia Terengganu in computer science, majoring in software engineering. I decided to take this course because I believe this course is able to grant quick employment after graduation. Software engineering is one of the few engineering disciplines that pays a good salary. Furthermore, I always have strong desire in this field and it makes me happy. During my university days, I was a committee member of computer club of my faculty. As a member, I learned a lot how to work as a team when the club was to organize any event. Therefore, I managed to improve my communication and interpersonal skills by joining the event held by the club. During my final year, I have to completed final year project which are Java program, which is Cafe Limbong Rental Management System. During completing my FYP, I have thought to finish the coding by myself for 1 year from preparing from proposal, finish the system, and preparing for the documentation. I am very excited about this opportunity at your company because it will allow me to use my skills and knowledge that I have learned to assist other people.
Okay, great explanation. So I have we moving forward to the next question, which is how do you handle working with people who annoy you?
It doesn't happen often, but I really irritate when one person hogs all the glory on something that was a group effort. I believe in giving credit where it is due and fairness within a team dynamic. I'm bothered by mistakes or problems that have team impact. For example, it will bother me if it will bother me greatly if a coworker were to miss an important deadline on a team project. It's unfair to other people in the group who made their deadlines because I know I get irritated when coworkers miss deadline. So I will try to always make sure goals are clearly communicated to everyone on the team. I also like to implement regular check-ins to make sure we are all on the same page rather than waiting until the end to see if there's a problem. If the deadline is missed anyway, I try to find out what I can do differently next time so the problem doesn't repeat itself.
Oh, okay, that's a good action of you. So we're moving forward to the third question for you. So what is salary that are you seeking?
Thanks for asking that question. Since it's important that we in general agreement on the right salary for my experience, what salary range do you typically pay to other candidates with similar background experience?
So far for the fresh graduate, we pay for about 3,500 for
So
company. Yeah.
I think I'm okay with that salary.
Okay. Okay. So we're moving forward for the fourth question for you. So what are you looking for in terms of career development?
My primary focus is on continuing to develop my leadership skills, and I believe the best way to do that is to constantly challenge myself. I have always strived to take on greater responsibility with each of the companies I have worked for previously. I think my vision goes toward the big picture, and I want to exploit the talent to the best of my ability.
Um, um, okay. 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 Oh no. Okay. If like that, we can just moving forward to the next question, which is how would you describe your work style?
My work style is extremely flexible working on so many different projects require me to be adaptive. In general, I try to work on one project at a time, working as quickly and efficiently as possible to achieve the best result. All of my projects require collaboration, so I use the team environment to check for errors. I am a perfectionist and driven worker, and I think my clear communication skills allow me to bring out the best in anything on any project.
Okay. Sounds good. So, last but not least, for your question, tell me one thing about yourself that you would not want me to know.
I was an overachiever in college, and there were a couple of semesters when I tried to do it all with class and tons of extracurriculars. Then my grade was slipping and I was burning out quickly. So I took a semester off to clear my mind, did some traveling, mostly some soul searching, and come back ready to finish my degree, which I did with honors. Coming so close to burning out and giving up entirely helped me understand my own limits while also strengthening my resolve to succeed. Traveling also made me realize that any career I took would have to have international opportunities, which is why I'm interested in this position.
Oh, okay. That sounds amazing for me. So that is our last question. So, is there anything you would like to ask me before
Yeah,
we ended our interview?
yeah. What exactly your expectation for me in this role?
So I would expect you to take your job seriously. Yes.
Yeah, I will do
So
if I get this position.
okay. So that's all for our interview. If I will contact you if you get for this job, and I also will contact you too for if you didn't get this job.
All right,
Yes.
all right.
So
Thank
thank
you,
you
thank
for attending
you.
this interview. Thank you.